Hello all. In this video, I am going to talk about how to implement custom prompt in Microsoft Bot Builder SDK. Bot Builder SDK default provide some of the prompt like number prompt accept only the numbers. If you are enter text, it won't accept it. Again, it will throw on a retry prompt or same prompt message asking user to enter the only numbers. So the validation inbuilt and text prompt it's accept only the text like that. Date and time prompt, choice prompt, attach attachment prompt, there are different prompts it's available. So I'm going to write one new prompt, custom prompt, to accept only the email address. Let's say for example, bot throw the question to the user, please enter the email address. So user enter my email address, example r.vinod@live.com. So once user entered, bot will find this email address. Okay, user has entered the email address. Just throw next message to the user, your email address, example r.vinod@live.com. I am right. So the idea here is we have to find the email in the text. If user enter the text, we have to find the email ID. So how to implement this prompt? That we are going to learn now. Before that, we have no need to write any to find email address, no need to write any regex expressions or something like that. It's default. Microsoft provide one API called Microsoft Recognizer Text Suite. It's having lot of features, like if you want to find the email address, or if you want to find the IP address, if you want to find the phone number, there are different APIs available. So we are going to use that API to implement this feature. First, we have to make sure we have to install the I go to, sorry, one moment. Yeah, manage NuGet package. So make sure you have to install this one, Microsoft Recognizer Text Sequence. Okay, this NuGet package is needed. So once this is installed, create one new class called, maybe I will call this email prompt. So this class should derive from the prompt class, and the input type we have to specify. So I specified as a string is my input. This is a constructor, and we have to override two methods. One is on prompt asynchronous, and another one is on recognizer async. These two functions we have to use it to implement this feature. Here we have to write the logic to find the email address. Here we have to write the logic to throw the prompt. Okay, so first I will write this code prompt. If you see here, this retry means it's retry. First time user enter wrong value, the second time the same prompt or retry prompt it will throw to the user. That's the reason this variable is used. So first I'm checking is, one moment, yeah, is retry true and options dot retry prompt not equal to null. The code step context, sorry, turn context dot send activity options dot retry prompt and cancellation token dot configuration as equal to false. Okay, this is added. Else if options dot prompt not equal to null, copy paste the same code, only the first argument going to change. Instead of this retry prompt, this prompt. So once we we call this email prompt, it will this function get hit. Here we will check. Okay, first time it's false, so it will come to the else case, the prompt. So it's throw the information to the user. And if the user entered anything wrong, then it will come to this case, it get true and retry from not equal to null, then this prompt it will throw. Okay, this is only used for the prompt. Okay, our main logic, we are going to write it here. So here, if you see the return value, prompt recognize a result. So I return this, prompt recognize a result. So here I'm going to write the logic where message activity turn context dot activity as message activity. Message activity is nothing. We are whatever we are chatting, to the bot through any chatting platform like Teams or emulator. So that is a message activity. Okay, chat message is called message activity. Okay, small issue. Yeah, I'll correct it. Yeah. So here we have to read from the text. Whatever user enter. For example, if user enter my email address this, then it will come to the we are reading those values from here, this message activity. Okay, and to call where email result equal to sequence recognizer dot email. We had first string is our text. So message activity dot text. So second text is a culture. So we have to pass it. Okay, what type of is it English or German or Arabic? What is a culture that we have to pass it? That also we can use a one more namespace. One moment. Plus culture dot English. That's it. So if you pass the text, this guy will return the email address. I am checking on condition email prompt not equal to null and count greater than 0. Come inside. Next, prompt result dot value. Okay, email result dot value. Sorry, one moment. Resolution dot value key. I'll show this one how its value is key to string. That's it. Okay, so once we get the value, assign prompt result succeeded equal to true. This is important. This field we have to set it. Why you have to set it? If in case if user enter wrong wrong text without email, if they're given, then this prompt it will come to false case. So once it's false, then succeeded is default false case, then automatically it will throw to this function on prompt async. So the retry prompt get invoked. Without, if you are moving this value to outside, so always is true, that means prompt get the correct results, so the retry prompt it won't work out. Okay, that's the reason this value is a very important one. Okay, that's it. Saved. Now I go to my application mail dialog. Here I adding my dialog, add dialog, new email prompt. Maybe dialog ID is email prompt. That's it. I already written this code, get user email and final result. So get user email, it will throw the message to the user, please enter the email. I'm using the email prompt here. So whatever I configured the name of the prompt, the same thing I pass it here. So please enter the email. So once the user enter the email, it will go to here and process it. If it is success, if it is correct value here, then we get the result in the this field, step context. Okay, I will start the application. Meantime, I started the emulator. Yeah. So application started. Go to here, open. Please enter the email. I just copy paste the string, whatever I written here, I just copied, enter. So here you see, it's find the correct email address. Go to here and I'll go to this email prompt. I put the breakpoint. Okay, so we can see how it is working. I just restart the conversation. Please enter the email. Enter. Here we get the message activity. In that one, we are reading the text, my email address. We are passing to this function, recognize the email. This guy will return the result. So 0th index, you can see the resolution field key is a value and the value is coming here. And one more, you can see the text is started in the line number 20 and is ended with 36. So it's find exact the location also. It's returning and the type name email. Okay, this is an inbuilt one. Okay, that's it. So here it will come. Here we are assigning it. This one. Okay. Next, suppose in case if I am going to put the breakpoint here, we'll see what will happen if I enter the wrong value. Okay, so first time it false, null. This is only true. Then please enter the email address. I'm just entering. Okay. What will happen? You can see the here. So there is no email address found. This text because I just send only OK message. Form result. Just throw. Here you can see now this time it's set to true because our prompt succeeded is false. That's the reason it will it's again this prompt message is coming. Retry prompt. Start. So the same question it will come. If you enter the user the correct value, it will work like old scenario. It find the email address. Okay. And actually, there are so many use cases. Testing is there. We have to check turn contacts null and everything. We have to implement that code. I just for explain the logic only. We if you are interested to use this email prompt, phone prompt, IP address, if you want to find it, no need to write your own code. We have already released here, bot builder community, botbuildercommunity.net. If you go here, you can find the email address, email prompt. There are different prompts, number with the tag, number with the type prompt, there are phone prompt, social media prompt, like that. If you want to use this feature, just you can install this NuKit package. You can use all the email prompts available in our bot builder community. Okay, guys, thanks to all. If you have any questions, please write email or write in the comment sections. I'll try to answer all your questions. Thanks to all. Bye.